What's up? What's up, YouTube? Hey, we about to hit the casino. We heard it was pretty clean, so we're gonna show y'all the improvements they made to keep everybody safe and make it clean.
All right, so of course we're in Vegas. Let's go gamble. But first, if you need a mask, here's some masks you can grab just in case you forgot yours. And in case you want to wash your hands, there's a hand washing station. For those of us that don't just like to use hand sanitizer.
Yeah, I really appreciated them just having the place clean. It made me feel real secure as well. And they had a lot of people around mopping, sweeping, wiping things down and everything. So I thought it was real great. I thought it was great. I said real great. I thought it was great.
Alright guys, I didn't win any money, but I do feel hella clean and safe. It's hand sanitizer and masks all throughout the casino, and it's all kind of hand washing stations, so the area is extra clean.
Alright, so we took a little stroll around the hotel to kind of show y'all on the other parts of the hotel. So we're on the promenade level, where you'll find the pool and the fitness center and the spa. They had nice artwork around the building. I'm not really an art person, but it looked nice. You know, everybody had their mask on. Like I said, the floors was clean, the railings was clean. But Krista got her Starbucks and my Starbucks because I had to record. But that's the pool area. So it was real nice.
What's up, y'all? The sucky thing about coming to Vegas in November is the pool is closed. So no pool. But it's nice though.
So we were up kind of early, so everything was closed, but we are on the top level where the restaurants, this is their main buffet. I believe they serve like seafood and all the other buffet stuff. It's a real nice restaurant. Um, Over here is an indoor bar. It's called Salt and Ivy. Like I said, it's real early in the morning, so that's why y'all don't really see nobody. But Vegas was kind of light anyway due to the pandemic, so me and LaCrista kind of felt like we had Vegas to ourselves. But all of this is on a top level of, oh, there's somebody. That must be the manager or something. All of this is on the top level of the hotel we stayed in, which is Aria. This is the convention center area, so it's plenty of space and room. I mean, the hotel was just massive. It was just big. They had all kind of signage around and told you what was going on, happy hours and different specials and stuff like that. Of course, that's the escalator. Very obvious. Over on this side, you got ATM. ATMs was all over the place. So that's a nice convenience. and you had a steakhouse over here, and there was another bar area as well. But like I said, it was real early when we got up to walk around, but we wanted to make sure we showed you all everything that Aria had to offer. And so here's this is like a brewery. I think they had a cigar bar in there as well. So like a pub, you would say. And then the steakhouse was over here. Gonna walk over there in just a minute. I think they had their menu outside, and I think I got a clip of the menu. It's probably real quick. That was me trying to be the cameraman and capture every moment. Oh, there's another. Oh, there was a maintenance man coming out of there. Carbone. I think you pronounce it that way. Carbone. But most of the restaurants had it to where you could scan the Q code for the menu, which I thought was pretty good. But that's a kind of snapshot of the menu. As you can see, it's really bougie. Pretty decent prices for a steakhouse in Vegas. Carbone. Alright, so now we are on the strip. We are headed to Caesar's Palace. Right now we're right in front of the Bellagio. Waiting on the light to change. Hey, Q. Waiting on the light to change. Hope we don't get hit. Alright, so we're taking a nice little stroll. And at nighttime, there is a water show. And later on our vlog, we'll show you that water show. We caught that as well.
Jesus, I am hot. So we in Caesar's Palace right now. Little Crystal just went in Sephora. And we headed to the Nike store. See what we can get. Y'all see I'm sweating, I'm glistening. We walked. But when you're in Vegas, you get a workout. A for real workout.
All right, so we definitely got tired of walking. So we are in the car driving towards Old Las Vegas, towards Fremont Street. Since it is a pandemic, it's usually a lot of people down there, but we decided this time we were not gonna get out and walk on Fremont. On the new portion of Vegas, it wasn't a lot of people, but it didn't feel scary. So, but I know on Fremont, they be all over the place. And it looks like they are doing some improvements to the streets. So if you do come down to Vegas within the next few weeks, be prepared for a lot of road work. Here is the old Vegas, getting close to Fremont. So we pretty much just drove down here. Didn't really get out and do nothing. That's the Mob Museum. Didn't really do anything down here on Fremont. But it was cool though. To see all the lights. It's always good to see all the Vegas night lights. So if you get a chance when you come to Vegas, make sure you come down to Old Vegas as well. Don't just stay down there by the new part. Come down here on Main Street and then come on Fremont over here by the Golden Nugget and all of the original Vegas attractions. Overall, traffic was cool, but we wasn't really trying to mix in with a lot of people. All right, now we are headed back towards the new strip in our hotel. As promised, the water show. Look at that water show. It was too many people out there, so we just drove past and looked at it. But it's beautiful. They do it every night. So wonderful waters. I think it lasts probably like 30 minutes. It's dope though. So we are Now headed back to the room. You see the aria? We are headed back to the room. We are pooped. Be on the lookout for our video on the juicy crab. We went to the juicy crab. And I think you guys will love, no, not the juicy crab, hot and juicy. I get them mixed up. So on our next video, we will be at the hot and juicy. So stay tuned. Thanks for checking us out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. The Wilson for real. Share, share, share. Until next time, we out. Peace.